In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webflow's CMS basics in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Webflow or just looking to refine your skills, you've come to the right place. We're going to walk through the entire process step by step, making it simple and straightforward. So, let's get started. First things first, head over to Webflow's website. It's your go-to platform for creating custom websites with a visual builder. You can do this by typing in the Webflow URL into your browser's address bar. Once there, you'll find yourself on a modern page filled with helpful resources and examples of what you can achieve with Webflow. Now, let's move on to the next part. You'll want to log into your account. If you already have one, that's great. Simply click on the login button you'll find at the top right corner of the page. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. Just take a minute to sign up and then log in so we can continue. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your Webflow dashboard. This is like your mission control center where all your site projects are managed. From here, you can access everything you need to design and build your site. Now's a good time to familiarize yourself with the layout. You might want to look around a bit to get comfortable with where things are. When you're ready, go ahead and click on one of the projects listed in your dashboard. If you have multiple projects, choose the one you want to work on or explore. Opening a project will take you straight into the design interface where the magic happens. Now, let's focus on the CMS aspect. On the left side of your screen, you should see a toolbar. Find the CMS tab there and click it. The CMS, or Content Management System, is where you'll manage and store all your site's dynamic content like blog posts, product details, or client testimonials. Think of it as your site's dynamic database. Next, we're going to create a new item in your CMS. In the CMS interface, look for a button or link that says Create an Item and click on it. This is where you can add new content to your collection. For instance, if you're running a blog, this is where you'd add your latest post. You'll have fields to fill out, such as title, description, and more, depending on how your CMS collections are set up. And there you have it, a basic introduction to using Webflow's CMS. Remember, the key is to experiment and explore. As you grow more comfortable, you'll find that Webflow's CMS is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance how you manage content on your website. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!